Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your passcode on Zerion Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Zerion Wallet application on your device and you will be asked to log in using your passcode or your fingerprint. Just go ahead and use any of those methods and you will be logged into your account and taken into your homepage where you will be shown all of your wallets. Now, right from the home page, in order to change your passcode, tap on the settings option at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on this, you will see various options. Go ahead and tap on security, and within the security menu, you will find change passcode at the very top. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to enter your current passcode. Type in your current passcode, and you will now be allowed to enter a new passcode for your account. Go ahead and type in your new passcode and then type it in once again to confirm it. Now after a while, you might be asked to enter your fingerprint as well to confirm your identity. And after you do this, your passcode will successfully be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your passcode on the Zerion Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.